Hello students, in our EVS subject we are studying about body parts of a human. You can able to recognize your head, eye, ear, mouth, nose, hand, leg, etc. etc. And also you can say the function of it. Function means what is the work of these body parts. But today we are going to study about parts of a computer. So, what are the main parts of a computer? First is, this is a computer. This is monitor. Next is keyboard. Next is CPU box. Next is mouse. These are the four main parts of a computer. In this video, I am going to discuss about these parts of a computer. First is monitor. Look at this picture. What is this? This is looking like a television. Yes, it is only monitor of a computer, and we use it to watch cartoons, and we can see whatever we type and draw on a computer. Next is your CPU box. CPU, what is the full form of CPU? The full form is Central Processing Unit. Now tell me one thing. You are seeing this video and getting information about parts of a computer. So, where you are going to store this information? Yes, you are storing in your brain. Same wise, computer also stores information in CPU. So CPU is the brain of a computer. Next is your keyboard. This is the picture of keyboard, and these buttons are called keys. By pressing these keys, you can type letters and numbers. This is called typing. Next is your mouse. This is the picture of mouse. It is also called a pointing device. Now, why we call it a pointing device? Because we see mouse to point different things on a computer. It has two buttons. One is left button and another is right button, and a wheel in the center. Do you know one interesting thing? Why we call it a mouse? Because it looks like a real mouse due to its shape. It has a long wire, looks like tail of a mouse. In market, we get mouse of different shapes, size and colors. Till now, we discussed about main parts of a computer. Now, we are going to discuss some additional devices connected to a computer. First is printer. It is used to print information that you see on your monitor, and this information will be printed on a paper. You can print black and white as well as color Printout means the things which you are seeing in your computer. You have to take these things on a paper. Next is speaker. Speaker is used to hear sounds. By using speaker, we can listen songs on a computer. Those who are listening now this video on a computer, that means they have a speaker connected with their computer. Next is microphone and headphone. Microphone is used to record different sounds. Now I am also using a microphone to record my voice while teaching. Headphone is used to listen something without disturbing the people around. Now you are watching this video. If you will use a headphone, then without disturbing others, you can watch this video. Next is joystick. Joystick is used to play games. Without joystick also we can play games in a computer, but it is used to have more fun. Next is your scanner. Scanner is used to copy pictures and text from paper onto the computer. That means it is exactly the opposite of a printer. By using printer, the things which we are seeing in a computer we take onto a paper, but by using a scanner, the things which we see on a paper, we take that thing onto a computer. Next is your web camera. Web camera is used to take live photos and videos. That means when we do any online classes, that time we use web camera so that everybody can see who is speaking or who is teaching. Next is your CD or DVD drive. We use CD or DVD to store any information. Okay? Full form of CD is compact disc and full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. Next is your UPS. The full form is uninterrupted power supply. Suppose you are working in a computer and suddenly power supply is off. At that time, this UPS helps to keep working on the computer. It gives time to save your work and switch up the computer when there is a power cut. Next is, this is the exercise question answer. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. These are the given words and we have to fill up these questions. I have already done. First is, a desk has 2 buttons. A mouse has 2 buttons. A desk has many keys. A keyboard has many keys. The desk can store a lot of information. The CPU can store a lot of information. A desk looks like a television screen. A monitor looks like a television screen. The buttons on a keyboard are called keys. Next, this question is given in your book. The clues I have given here. This is, you have to fill up vertically, and this is, you have to do it horizontally. Kindly do it by yourself. The words already I have written, you have to arrange it only vertically and horizontally. Next, label the computer parts given below. Already this one also I have taught you. This is monitor, keyboard, CPU, then mouse. Now, match the computer parts with their function. This one also already I have done. Keyboard. Keyboard's function is it helps to type numbers and letters. CPU. The function is it is the brain of the computer. Mouse. It helps to point things on the screen. That's why it is also called pointing device. Monitor. It shows what you draw or type on the computer. What do the following short forms stands for? First is CPU. The full form is Central Processing Unit. Next is CD, Compact Disc. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. UPS, Uninterrupted Power Supply. Next, write one use of the following devices. These are the devices and you have to write one use. First is printer. It is used to print information that you see on the monitor onto a paper. Scanner. It copies picture and text from paper to computer. Microphone. It is used to record different sounds into the computer. Speaker. It is used to hear sounds or listen to music on the computer. UPS. It keeps the computer working when the power supply is off. CD or DVD. It is played on a CD or DVD drive. The question answers of the exercise you have to write in your copy. Then you read the book and again you watch this video. If you are getting any doubt about this chapter, you can give that in comment box. Next, I will upload some question answers of this chapter. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.